Hello, my name is Alexis and today we're talking about skincare. Look at how shiny I am. I have freshly applied my morning skincare and I want to talk about skincare. How many times can I say skincare? Skincare, skincare, skincare. So these are like my day and night routines because I kind of use the same stuff day and night. A couple things change, but not a lot. I don't have everything here at my house. Some stuff I have at Dean's house. So I can't like physically show you everything, but we can at least talk about it. So first up, daytime. I either just splash some water on my face, or because like I cleanse so much at night that I don't really have to cleanse in the morning. So I'll just splash some water on my face, or if I feel like I need a cleanse, I like the Skin Laundry Gentle Foaming Face Wash. So I'll use that, or I will use, at Dean's house, I have Origins Checks and Balances. That is my #1 cleanser. I will always own that cleanser. The Skin Laundry one I really like also. That's a good like basic easy cleanser. So either a splash of water or a quick cleanse, move on. Toner I have also from Skin Laundry. This is the Balancing Antioxidant Toner. This has like a pump top, so you just flip this open. There's a little pump. I use the Shiseido cotton squares because they are literally the best cotton you will ever own. So I take that on my cotton square and I just go and move on. The essence I've been using lately is the Murad Hydrodynamic Quenching Essence. A lot of people are confused about what an essence is. So an essence is just like a skin softener. So you put this on before all your serums and it's just gonna help everything like penetrate deeper into your skin. It's gonna like open your skin up basically so that when you put all your other skincare on top, it'll absorb it better. So I think an essence is needed in a routine. Especially if you have dry skin. This one's great for dry skin because it's already hydrating in itself. But that's what an essence does. So I put this on and then do all my serums. So for daytime, for me, it's really easy. I take my serums, so I have them in this little bag. I have B-Hydra from Drunk Elephant, C-Firma from Drunk Elephant, D-Bronzi from Drunk Elephant, and I put these all together with my moisturizer. I'm using Lala Retro from Drunk Elephant. Oh, and also I put in the Marula oil. I'm not sponsored by Drunk Elephant, I just love their products. So I put all of this, a pump of all of these into a pump of this and mix it up. Once a week, I have recently added the A-Passioni from Drunk Elephant, which is their retinol. I'm gonna be honest with you, the first time I used it, I had a really bad reaction to it. So when the brand rep came in, I told her, and she was like, no, like, I know it says a pea size, and don't use a pea size, use a rice grain size, and really like spread it out. So I'm like, okay, so that's what I've been doing. I've used it twice so far, and my skin is nowhere near as crazy as it was when I last tried to use it. So I use that once a week with all of my daytime stuff. And then, oh, I've also been using this Murad Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment. Because of the retinol, my skin is purging a teeny tiny bit, not too badly. Bless, knock on wood. So I've just been using this basically as a spot treatment on anything that comes up. So I don't put this over my whole face. I just put this where I have a spot coming up, and I've also been putting it on my nose for blackheads because this is salicylic acid, so it's a BHA. So I do all of that. I've also been using the Murad Revitalixer Recovery Serum. This is hydrating and it is eye safe, so I just slap this on and just smush it all over my face and down my neck and all over. I've been rotating through 3 eye creams. Yes, so I've been using, my cat is rubbing on the camera. Jezzy, that's not for you. I've been using 3 eye creams. The one that I have here at my house is the Biossance Squalene and Peptide Eye Gel. I really like this one. This is 360, so I just smush it all over. I don't smush it, you know, gently all over. I also use, Jez, you have to stop rubbing on the camera. I also use the C+ Collagen Eye Cream from Dr. Dennis Gross and the Shaba from Drunk Elephant. Are you done? So I rotate through those. I have the Shaba and the Dr. Dennis Gross at Dean's house. I have the Dr. Dennis Gross here too. I just don't want to open another one because I already have one open somewhere. So I do all of those, and like I said, I've been using Lala Retro as my moisturizer. So that is, oh, just kidding, last thing. I do all of that, and this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 setting mist. I just use this as like a final spray all over because I have a ton of these, so I figured I'd use them for something because I'm not sure I like them for makeup, but I do like it for skincare. So I spray all that and I let it sit for a little bit, especially just to make sure that this is fully dry, and then I put my SPF on top. I use Drunk Elephant. I'm sorry. I use, oh, I didn't bring it out with me, but I use their sunscreen, both the tinted and the untinted version. To me, the tint doesn't make a difference. I don't think it's any kind of coverage or anything. I know it's not really meant to be coverage, but it doesn't really matter to me whether it's the tinted or the not tinted version. I have both of them. I use both of them. So that's what I do for daytime. For nighttime, if I have a teeny bit of makeup on, I'll just use a makeup wipe and move on. If I have a lot of makeup on, like I did yesterday, this is the Boscia Makeup Breakup Cool Cleansing Oil. I have this at this house, or at Dean's house I have the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. So I take those and I just smush it around, break up all that makeup, get it off, use my cleanser, again, whichever house I'm at, whatever cleanser I have with that. I am not using the Clarisonic right now with the retinol because I don't want it to be too much. There is a day, like later on during the week in my nighttime routine, that I'll use my Clarisonic and my glycolic serum, but that's only once a week until my skin really gets used to the retinol. But I still have the Clarisonic and I do use it, just not every day like I have been. So take my makeup off, cleanse my face with my cleanser, tone, same toner, same essence. The serums are different. I have the glycolic serum from Drunk Elephant. I don't use that, like I said, every day. Still, I'm doing that once a week, like 4 days after I use my retinol. Is that confusing? Okay, so for instance, I use my retinol Tuesday morning, so I'm not going to use my glycolic until Saturday night. Does that make sense? So retinol, really focus on hydration, exfoliate, hydration, retinol, hydration. That's how the brand rep explained it to me, and that's really what's been working for my skin until I can build up to 3 days in between, 2 days in between, etc., etc. So, but that's what I'm doing now. So, and then I use all the same serums basically, just not the C-Firma or the D-Bronzi. These are just for daytime. So instead I take my Lala Retro again, and I take my B-Hydra, and I take the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate, and this is my kind of nighttime cocktail, and the glycolic once a week, like I said. So I do that, spray my face again, and that's my nighttime stuff. Nighttime is really easy. Nighttime for me is more focused on cleansing. Daytime for me is more focused on serums. So take that as it will. For my lips, I have a couple things in here. For daytime, I use the Sephora Honey Lip Scrub, and I also have the Dior Lip Scrub, like in the lipstick kind of bullet. I use those for daytime and follow up with whatever lip balm I have. Like here at home, I have like 4 different fresh lip balms. I have 2 different Dior lip balms. Like I just plop those on and move on. And at Dean's house, I have the Too Faced Peaches and Cream lip balm, the one from that collection. And then at night, I have the Bubblegum Lip Scrub from Lush and the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is fantastic. I love this stuff so much. It is ridiculous. Like, I just freaking love this stuff so much. And you only need a little bit. Like, I've had the, you can't see that. I've had this forever. Not forever. I've had this since January, since like my birthday. And I haven't used that much of it because you don't need a lot. I use a lot, but you don't need a lot. So that's my lips. And that's kind of everything. I thought this video would take longer, This was just me rambling. It's just because I really use the same stuff day and night, just some stuff I take out for nighttime. That's really it. And more hydration for nighttime. But yes, I will do more of like an update with the retinol after I've used it a little longer. Like I said, I've literally only used it twice. Yesterday, which was Tuesday, the day, today's Wednesday as I'm filming this, but that Tuesday was literally the second time I've used it, and so I can't really tell you too much other than this is going a lot better than the first time I tried it. But yeah, that's everything. All of this stuff is available at Sephora. If you're new here, hi, I work at Sephora. Yeah, so much skincare. And I'm sure I'll put this video up and in like 2 months, all my skincare will be different again, because that always seems to happen. Every time I do a skincare video, I change it. But that's what I've been doing. If you have any questions, let me know. Whether it's about these products or just skincare in general, I am skincare savvy. I'm going to aesthetics school. So if you have any questions about skincare in general, because I know that Sephora put up a skincare video and it was just, I was going through the comments and there were so many questions in the comments, and of course Sephora doesn't answer any of the, they don't answer any of the comments, so they don't answer any of the questions, and I'm like, I wish I could just sit here and answer all these questions. So if you have any skincare questions, please let me know and I will answer them to the best of my ability for you. Oh, I forgot one thing. I forgot about these. This is a collaboration with Ollie, so it's Sephora. It's Sephora and Ollie, the vitamin company. So there's 4 different vitamins that came out. I got the glowing skin ones, so these have hyaluronic acid, collagen, and sea buckthorn. So it's just supposed to help your skin be glowy and bouncy and beautiful. I haven't been taking these for this long, so I don't know if they're really doing anything, but I'm taking them. So I'll update you on this and the retinol when I get a chance. But there's these ones, there's hair ones. I got these from my aunt. There is skin detox ones, and there are sleep ones. But yeah, I forgot about these. Skincare. So that's everything that I got for you. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know and I will answer them as best I can. And that's all I got. Look at how glowy I am. So much skincare. Thank you guys for watching. I was just posing for the thumbnail. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.